So guys, as you can see, I just arrived at the airport and I am heading to New York. So yes people, don't mind my mad ear. Ear mad as usual. Why when me travel for my ear always a blow out and stuff like that. So yes guys, my airport is so busy guys. I don't know if y'all know Atlanta airport, but it is super big. As you can see, I'm going on the escalator. Here. Anyway, yeah, the airport is so big. You know how much different stairs we have to go on? People who don't want to even understand. So guys, I'm going to meet my flight now. Okay. So guys, I'm walking to go on the plane now. Yes. So guys, I'm on the plane now. Guys, we don't know why the plane rocks. Why? Maybe the speed will go before it take off. But it a rock. It a rock. It a rock. Time to go to New York. This guy's New York time. So yes guys, as you can see, we reached to New York and we are heading to where we're going to stay. It's a bit dark. It's a bit dark. It is dark. I understand it is dark guys. And I'm trying to get some clip for you guys. I think down here it is Queens. Yes, I'm not saying after. That's Queens guys. Because I actually came through what do you call it? LaGuardia. I came through LaGuardia Airport and I came back at John Kennedy. I think that's it. But guys, that's Queens there. I still think that's Queens guys. Apartment. So yes guys, what I get to understand about New York, you see Brooklyn and Bronx is like coming like a Jamaican people. You see Queens is kind of like different, but you know most of these places it have a business place downstairs. Like you could walk to the side, walk to the corner. Guys, me actually love New York. The only thing I don't love is that most people have to park on the road. You understand? So if you don't have a driveway, you have to park on the road. You have to look for parking. It's hard to get parked. You know what? New York remind me of downtown Atlanta. Yeah, it remind me of downtown Atlanta. Yeah, that's what New York. But this is Queens, guys. I'm videoing for you guys. And no, it is dark. But just keep watching the video. Where are you going? Don't leave. There's people, as you can see, like these apartments, like them literally come like them like out in the road, you know. But guys, New York is kind of like my style with the living, guys. Cause me's a girl, even though I drive, I like sometimes you can walk, but this stuff. It's like when you're in Atlanta, you gotta drive to go everywhere, guys. Like everywhere you go, you gotta drive. You know, you have to drive. No wonder it have so much big oversized people down here. I'm not discriminating nobody because me big too, you know, but I'm just saying, can you not get no time for exercise, you know? And the next thing I learned about New York, guys, nobody telling us say if you don't understand what they mean by block, I write down the so and them stuff there. You put it in the GPS on your phone and put it on walk if you're going somewhere, because when them tell us say, oh, it's just right down there so, or right there so, you understand, or it's just that the block there. If you don't understand, I will way down a choco them I send you. You see me? So yes, people, as we can tell you, say, one life you have, and whatever makes you happy, go for it. Do it. You understand? Nobody never knows how we'd come and get a pandemic like this. You know, even though I can go out, but it is still not normal. It is still different. There's a lot of difference with when I go out. I go somewhere to eat and stuff like that. You could actually see the different, guys. So we're telling us to cherish life, guys. So yes, guys, I got some baby back ribs, mashed potato, and salmon. You know, come. So yes, guys, you can see I am on the train. Oh yes, I experienced New York train ride, which is good. I am super excited that I get the experience, but I don't like it. You know, guys, this is we again at the train station, people. I don't know. That's Bronx, guys. That's Bronx there. You know, that is the Bronx. Ooh. Guys, I learned so much things about New York for the few days I went up there, you know. Cause these things for me is like history, you know. Yeah. So yes, guys. So that's the train track there. So the train pull up. So yes, guys. I actually enjoy myself. You know, big up the husband. It's in New York. Concrete jungle.
The big screen more fun.
Guys, I'm a say, man, my baby anytime. Man, my baby anytime. When you hear the man in the background say, he might look for the big screen. Yeah, bad. Alright, let's say, man, for the big screen. And then I top people from video. They don't top people from video.
No, tourist area, man, not tourist area. You see everybody with them camera, all the man with the camera. Tourist area.
Oh, nice. This is
I
nice.
see all the people on my phone. Tourist area.
I am cold. Oh, okay. This is Mana. What's my bag? Hang on. Show my bag around my neck.
Oh yeah, I got the icon pass gift.
This is
Make some noise for Reese.
Alcohol. Drugs. Drugs. And Miley Cyrus, she be twerking. Now, Reese, listen up, all right? I need you to help us out. I need your legs straddled like this. I need your arms apart. And I need your head down. Head down, white chocolate. It's okay. Head down. It's all right, Reese. Nothing to worry about. Daddy loves you. That's not chocolate. She looks just like me. Keep your head down. Okay, don't move. Hey, Reese, if your head come up, it comes off. Don't move, okay? You're doing great, sweetheart. Someone else. Now, Reese, this is for real, okay? Now, Reese, where's Mom? Mom, raise your hand. Who made this? Oh! Shut up, man. Now, Mom, is that your child? Is that your only child? No? Good. She has a Reese, arms up, head down, girl. This is for real. If you move, you're going to turn black. You want to turn black? Shut up, girl. Now, E, you ready? E on 3. Reese, don't move, okay? Now, everybody. What's the music? Now, Reese. I have something very special for you, okay? Every day. I do it every day. It's his first time trying this. It's his first time. I do it all the time. Reese, look, strong. Black guys can jump. It's okay. Reese, look. Reese, look, listen up. This $20. I got you, Reese. Here we go! Hey, big up! Can you raise your hand? We have a volunteer!
Nigga wanna hate on us. Nigga we envy us. I know why they hate on us. Cause Scarface fabulous. Wanna be real on us. Nobody got nothing on us. Let's be all on us from London back down to the US. We rockin' this crazy monkey business outrageous. Just confess your girl admits that we the shit. F-R-E-S-H, we fresh. E-E-F, that's right, we different. We definite. B-E-P, we reppin' it. Turn it up.
So yes, as you can see, the town is very beautiful, people. Very, very beautiful. You have like these big screen all over, guys. If you're in America and never been to Manhattan, guys, you need to. You need to. So yes, guys, as you can see, I'm in Manhattan. The place is crazy. It is beautiful, guys. This is my first time to Manhattan. Don't watch me here. The breeze are blue and it's all over the place, people. You understand? It's very fun and excited, guys. It's good when you can go places, visit places. You understand? I know a lot of people live in America for years and never been to Manhattan before.
Hey, get out the way,
Guys,
white
it's
people!
very beautiful. You understand? The people that live on the roadside and say that dog and stuff like that.
Anymore!
Chill out. It's just
Yes, you guys over here, stop quick. I got it. Nobody move. Nobody gets hurt. Nobody move. Nobody gets hurt. Listen up, Steve. Keep your head straight. Head straight. Arms to the side. Arms to the side. You are safe. Safe. You are safe. Safe. To the two sexy white guys in the back. We're sorry, 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 Poppy. Where you from, sir? Make some noise for North Carolina! And you! Make some noise for Detroit! Texas! Make some noise for Dallas, Texas! And you! Chicago! Everywhere, okay! Make some noise for England! Canada! Oh my God, everywhere! Everyone keep your head straight. Head straight. Arms to the side. Arms to the side. And do not move. Yo! Whoa! Where you going? We're going home! No! I'm so sorry, sweetie. I am so sorry about that. She said she liked chocolate. It's okay. Oh, she likes hot chocolate. She was going too, right? Hey, all right. No more jokes. Hey, sweetie, where are you from? Make some noise for Miami!
Woo!
Right now? Right now. Right here? Hey, sweetie, we have one more question for you. It's a simple answer, yes or no. Do you like black guys? Hey, guys, stop! That's how families get started. Now wait. Now you said you're from Miami? Now Miami, listen up. It's about to get crazy. Now this is a very big jump. Yes! I'm gonna need all my volunteers to squeeze together. Squeeze together! Tighten up. We call this male bonding. Squeeze, guys, squeeze. Yo, he's in there. Yo, say, hey, you know what, guys? It's all right.
Male bandage.
He's good. They're good. They're good. He's good. He's good. Hey. He's good. He's good. Sorry. What are you doing, Nasty? Not that close. The white guy is a freak. Turn around. Now squeeze. No, Sean. Let's give this guy one more chance. You know what? Put him in the back of the line. In the back of the line, Sean. We don't trust you. Hey, we don't trust you either. Turn around. I'm so sorry about that white guy. Sorry. But you can take a step back. You have nothing to worry about. He's gay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what happened so far? Clap your hands and make some noise. Thank you. Now listen up. We know what you guys are thinking. What's that? We know what you guys are thinking. What's that? Why are these talented guys out here? Why? Could it be for money? Hell yeah. Now we know that as soon as we take this jump, that everybody's gonna walk away and leave. Leave. Because this is a so-called street show. Guys, that's not right. We didn't leave when you guys got here. No, we didn't. So if you're going to leave, please leave here. Now keep in mind, an average donation to a show like this is usually $20. $20. If you don't have $20, give us 2 tens. Yes. If you don't have 2 tens, give us 4 5s. But ladies, if you give us $100, we'll go home with you tonight. We're going to take 1 minute to come around and collect some donations. Yes. Everybody, hold it up, show your love, not your anger. Show your love, not your anger. And then we're going to take the jump. Yes. Hey, say, you get that side. Okay. Now, you get this side. All right. If anybody tries to leave, chase them. All the way home. Bye, guys. Run fast. Don't do it.
Here we go. Everybody clap. Now everybody clap those hands. Here we go. Oh, I got him. He's hot. This guy looks smart. He likes it.
We need one more.
Everybody. One more. That guy right there. Let's go, buddy. Let's go right over here. Oh, look at his ball. Right there, buddy. Everybody clap.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I need everybody to please move up to the orange cones. Everybody, please step up to the orange cones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, step one, we're flipping over the kid. Step two, we're going over the guys.
Over the guys. Oh shit.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't want to see it,
We don't want to do it.
if you don't want to see it,
We don't want to do
but
it.
if you really want to see this, give us some New York energy! The kid is gonna die. If you don't want to see
We
it,
don't want to do it.
who wants to see it? That was better, that was better. Okay, cabeza abajo, cabeza abajo. Okay, don't move. Daddy loves you. Well, we have the same nose. Ask mom. Head down, buddy. Don't move, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is only step one.
Now everybody clap your hands. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you see something you like, now everybody clap your hands.
We got ourselves a sugar mama. She's hot. We don't have to dance no more. Oh my God, look at, oh my God. Look at that wolf. Look at that wolf. What are you doing? She likes it.
I can tell. Don't even listen up. It's a family show. Put on the line.
No, you're right, bro. I'm sorry.
Put them behind the
She
kid.
loves me. Now, Diva. She's going in.
So sure, what I'm gonna get? Which one should I get? No, cookie and cream. Guys, I decided to get this one. Yeah. Guys, I know I'm in New York, but guess what? Your girl need ice cream, so she comes to the store. You understand? Stay tuned. So guys, this is how I'm gonna end up get. Oh, someone could tell me that when you come to New York and you go into the store, you gotta take a bag. Guys, you have to pay for a bag. I bought an ice cream and a drink, and the lady was like, okay, have a nice day. So where's the bag? She said 22 cents. I'm like, 22 cents? Look at this, 22 cents. It's actually a good bag that I can actually reuse, so I don't mind it. But the fact that I have to buy something and I have to buy a bag, they're making money, eh? They're making money. Nothing like when you go to one party and you hear them start play two gospel. Even though this was a party, it's a relaxing vibes and thing, you know. Because as I always tell people, whatever you're doing in life, you gotta put God first. You understand? A lot of people might say, oh, you got party and you pray before you got party. Yes, people, whatever you're doing in this life, you have to put the Lord first. You understand? It was a good vibes, guys. I actually had fun, and that drinks that I was having, it's any colada. You know you have pina colada, but that's Hennessy colada. They use Hennessy to make it. It's super nice. Whenever I go back to New York, I definitely have to go back for one of those drinks. And the steamed fish, guys. I'm sorry that my phone went dead. The steamed fish was the bomb. Guys, look at that. You can't even get to get the good signal. And then the next day, this is what I had. I had seafood. I don't know, ask me where the sauce is. The sauce is in the bottom, guys. I never did mix it up yet, but the sauce is there into the bottom, guys. You understand? Super delicious. And I actually eat everything except for the potato. I don't like potato. I should have told them to substitute the potato for corn, but I did not.
Food right,
you understand? Here. But it was good. So yes, guys, I went to the bank and then I stopped to get something at Dunkin' Donuts.
Very good.
So guys, now I am at Long Island. Watch the Dollar Tree over there. So big promotion them are getting on my video now. Yes, guys, went to Long Island. Then I went to an Applebee's there. Wow, everything on this platter was good, but the wings was very spicy. I did enjoy it though. So yes, guys, as you guys see, I'm back at Applebee's again. You understand? And I'm about to order some food to eat before my flight. You understand? Yes. Right, that's just the seat there. Margarita, frozen margarita. Tastes good. Mozzarella stick. And all these things. Lord Jesus, the day I'm eat. I'm surprised. I'm not go off on the people in the plane. Yes, guys, I end up getting food juice. Not one, but food. You understand, guys? Those some agree, them actually go up on the plane first. And these 2 meals was actually my 2 meals. And I didn't really like everything. Understand? Some was on, some was off. So guys, I'm going to the airport now. As you guys can see, I am heading to the airport. You don't know how the things set. Airport free. The place dark and all these things. You know, I was actually early though, guys. The first flight we was so early for. Like we was like 2 hours early before the flight, which was good. You know, yeah. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. I know you guys miss me. I know you guys. You can see my arrive at the airport. Right, that's the sheep. JFK Airport. You guys can see JFK Airport. I'm going to TSA now. Airport full of. I think going back on a Tuesday would be better. I'm actually extra early for my flight, guys. I'm like 3 hours early. But guys, if y'all see people, it's so much people, guys, and it's cold. You know? So guys, I just cleared TSA and I am going to sit at my gate. I'm a bit early still, you know? Yeah. Guys, this is JFK, guys. Airport. Guys, I'm gonna show you these things. She ain't messing with no broke nigga. These airports are so big. As you can see, let's actually move. It's time to go on the flight. Look at that people. Give it to me, baby. You're nice and slow. Airplane, we're about to take off. Sometimes we take off, you know. This people.
Flight attendant for reseating. As a
Noise.
reminder, we're still enforcing the mask policy, so we kindly ask that you wear your mask over both your nose and mouth throughout all phases of flight while sleeping.
What you speak? Which
And
language?
please remember to put your mask back on after you are drinking. We greatly appreciate that.
Please
So
keep
there's
on your
a
mask.
button
Here,
from the
people
aircraft
say,
and our federal
keep the mask
facility
on. Keep on your mask. We don't want to catch the virus. Oh, I don't want to. You hear me? I want to know? Keep on the mask. Big up to all my fans. Big up to all my supporters. Blessings to everybody. So yes, guys. As you can see, it's almost time for us to take off. The window seat, my well buckle up and all that. You know, my clothes, my something mess up when time of day. You know, maybe never see, but it should in case for the fast people them. Yes, so yeah. You know, hey guys, imagine these people that is out here working. The people them who out this work, guys, man know cola lick them. People don't have to respect people hustling, you know? Y'all have to respect people also. Because I know these guys who is directing the plane, man know cola lick them. Man know cola lick them for 6 and 10. You understand? People that say have to respect people also. Don't bad mind a man when you see him come out successful. You understand? Because people they are foreign are working a cola. Yes. Watch him make fun at work. You see him? Picking out foot and something. Make a job fun. You see me? Yeah, like one of them realized in my video. Yeah. So you see the plane just coming, guys? Back to myself. So how is everybody doing, guys? Live your life to the fullest. That's all I can say. You understand? Just live your life to the fullest. Yes, man. Don't make nobody tell us you can't do it. Whatever make you happy, you go for it. Go for it. Whatever make you happy, go for it. Whatever make you happy, just go for it. Yes, man. Remember, the sky is the limit. Go and big up on yourself and stay tuned. You guys will know when I get home. Because I'm not good at keeping an update, right? Update is a must. I have to keep you guys updated. You're crazy. I'm not gonna keep on updates. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Guys, the girl we are talking, she named Jamaica. She named Jamaica. Mr. People, this is a them people can do a free flight. The plane partially empty, you know? Empty. The plane empty. The plane is moving right now. You know, me I pick you know update for one. So we are moving, guys, as you can see. But she playing over this to the reverse while this I go first. Put in a reverse. Hey guys, you know what's on a reverse? You playing a reverse? You know say at the wheel something them have underneath the plane, like the machine something. And I use it to move the plane, the front of the plane. Guys, I wish you could see this. This is so cool. I didn't even know that. Guys, me never know so them can use something for movie. Not the one that I'm with. Guys, I never even know that they use something to move the plane. I just learned that, guys. Did you know that? Look at that over there. I hope you guys can see. Let me see if I can video it better. I don't know, guys, but it's hard to see. But if you could look right over there, you see the guys with this thing underneath the plane front? Alright, I think I'm gonna pass it now. Did you know that this, guys, did you know? This is what happened. They have something where them can use to pull the plane out. Damn people. I think they might work on those plane though. I think they might work on it, but that's so cool, guys. That's cool. You know, we soon take off, you know. We'll soon take off, and guess what, guys? We're coming to the beautiful part of the video. The part of the video are the part where I got nice. It got extremely nice. Yeah. Where you go see all the niceness. So the whole of New York and thing, guys. Listen, guys, you know where I want to go next? I want to go to California. I want to go to LA.
510, please prepare the cabin for departure.
Departure time, I want to go to LA. I'm definitely going next year though, guys. Yeah. I'm definitely going. You know? You know what I think I have a big problem with? Video in crowd. I'm afraid for video in a crowd, you know, guys. Like we have vlog in a crowd. I need to learn to do that and stop being shy about that part. People, people, people. All of this. Like at the view, look at the view. Oh, wait till the plane take off. Think got trouble. Subscribe to my channel, you know, and share me out. And guys, remember if you run and go check out Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Check out our channel, and also check out my vlog channel, my vlog channel. Alright, that was supposed to be a joke. Please check out my next channel, which is C&G Daily Updates. Actually, there's a lake down there, guys. You see that? So I'm show you what I go on and see there. Big bird, big iron bird in the sky. Guys, we over water, you know. This is the part I don't like. I need to stop look and shut me eye and go sleep. grandmother would say New York. Guys, sorry for the noise in my background. At the plane, I'm gonna intend to do so much voiceover. So me a chat for now. You understand? I want to get into the video. I don't know if I'm gonna premiere it or I'm just gonna drop it as a regular video. I might premiere it still. You know? Might give it a 30 minutes or half an hour premiere. Call it a day. I know you guys like to see these things. You know? Yeah. And yes guys, I had fun. Guys, we're playing a triple like I leave. Like we have rough ear. Them say we have rough ear. People, I love travel but me not like playing. But at the end of the day, I'm not scared. Guys, look down there. That's way down, you know. Let me zoom out. You see that is a high? I don't know what the high for. You see that? The flight just land. I land safe. Thank you, Jesus. Yes, I land safe. I land in Atlanta, guys, as you can see. You see it? We reached on the soil.